How to fix Microsoft Sudoku not loading in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps. Click on Start. Click on Settings. Select Apps. Select Installed Apps. Find Microsoft Sudoku. This is Microsoft Sudoku. Click on three dots and select Advanced Options. If Microsoft Sudoku app is running, click on Terminate. Now click on Repair. If the app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Once the repair is completed, click on Reset. Once more click on Reset. In this process, the app's data will be deleted. Now try to launch Microsoft Sudoku app and see if it is working well. If the problem still occurs, then again go to Settings and click on Uninstall. Now click on Start. Click on Microsoft Store. In the search box, type Sudoku. Click on Microsoft Sudoku. Select Install. Click on Play. If Microsoft Sudoku is still not loading, then click on Start. Click on Settings. Click on Windows Update. Click on Check for updates. If any update is downloaded, restart your computer and then try to play Microsoft Sudoku. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.